Hey guys, so today I'm going to bring you just a quick short little video. I was looking online because actually I was looking on YouTube, Pinterest, Google, everything for like how to hang your denim shorts, like just any shorts to be honest. How to hang your shorts like in a cute way without having to pay like too much money, because they have these shorts hanger clip things with like a little hook. And those things are super cute, but they're super expensive. It's like, I think it was like $12.50 for a pack of 4. And that's just like, in my opinion, like that's too much money for a hanger for your shorts, you know? I have all these shorts. So I want to show you a little hack that I have for it. It's like the same effect and it's much cheaper. So I went to, not to Gelson's, I went to the dollar store. Let me show you my original thing. I went to the dollar store and I couldn't find these guys. It was like, was it Christmas? No, it was back to school, so I couldn't find the big ones. So all they had were like these little ones. So I tried to use these, but the problem is that when you do the clip and everything, it's not the right size. So let me show you how to do this. You buy these big ones from the dollar store and you buy these big ones from the dollar store. Then what you do is you open them up and these clips are called bulldog clips and they're 3 inches, and I think these are called binder rings. Book rings is what they call these ones, and these ones are 2 inches. This is a 6-pack and the other one is a 2-pack. They're both $1. So what you do is you open your clip like this, or you open your ring like this. You take your clip, and the clip has like 2 holes on the top. So you go ahead and stick this guy through both of the holes so that now it looks like this. And then you're going to close it properly. And then what you do is you just slide all of them onto your pole. This pole is obviously going to be in my closet. It's just the lighting in the closet is so dark. There's not even a light in there. So I'd have to like add all this lighting, and it would just be a horrible video. So I took this out. But so what you do is you take then your clip and you clip it like that. And then they'll all just stack in together. So I'm going to put a couple on here and you can see how it looks. Now when these are hanging in the closet, they will stack up like this, so you can see the edges of them so you can tell which ones they are. And then when you want to take them off, just lift like that and it will come out. Obviously I'll have 2 hands and it'll be easier, but because I'm holding it, you know, one-handed Lucy is not the best. Have you guys ever seen that movie Father of the Bride with Steve Martin, and he's out, they send him out to go do a job just to get him out of the house because he's like ruining everything. So they send him to get hot dogs and hot dog buns, but the hot dog company and the bun company are in cahoots with each other, and they don't make an even amount of buns for hot dogs. Which I believe they make 2 extra buns in case you drop a bun or something, or burn a bun, then you have an extra one. But buying these clips and these rings was like that, because the clips come in packs of 2 and the rings come in packs of 6. So I'm sitting there doing the math, and then I'm trying to take all these clips, and they didn't have enough clips for the rings, and I didn't want to not get enough rings because the first time the rings were sold out. So yeah, it was a little funny. What it looks like right now. Let me pan over to my clothes so you can see how many shorts I have. These are all the shorts that I need to get on hangers. So I'll go ahead and finish, and then I will hold up the dowel to show you at the end what it looks like. Okay guys, so I ran out of clips. I have 3 rings left that are open, 2 packs that are closed, so 6 and 6 is 12 plus 3 is 15 rings I have left. I need to get some more of these big clips, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm probably going to need another dowel to put my clothes on. But see, you can go through your shorts easily, pick which ones you want, and they're hanging in a way where it doesn't take up a bunch of space and room. The one thing that I do want to recommend when you're clipping your shorts on, make sure that your top button in the front is buttoned, and make sure that you, when you fold them, hold all 4, like see how there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, like, you know, you fold it so there's 2 flaps, and then you fold it again so there's 4 flaps. Just make sure that the middle 2 from the front are like high enough so that the clip's catching those as well. And for S and G, I'm going to put this in the closet and try to show you, so bear with me. And then let's go over to the closet. So this is how it looks. This is literally how dark my closet is. I don't have a light in here. But so these shorts are just up here, and it saves me a lot of room. I was able to fit 3 dowels in here. So I have dresses here on the bottom, hoodies and like oversized sweaters here, and then shorts up here. And that's what it looks like. Color coordinated. So pretty much what I'm going to do is squeeze in some more shorts, but the other ones that I didn't get to sit on a clippy hook.